in Minneapolis.
We are.
FaceTiming my husband.
Amy's FaceTiming. Where are we headed?
The Mall of America.
Yeah, we keep hearing great things about it, and I want to go on the roller coaster.
Are you gonna go on the roller coaster?
Yeah, I want to.
I'm gonna puke. I'll watch you go on the roller coaster.
I want to go.
I'll be the adult that sits down and waves at you. Good job! Kelsey, there was no room for her, so she found a new family in the back of the boat. Look, we're all going to the Mall of America.
Our friends are Swedish, and Mackenzie wants to get a picture of them in front of IKEA. Mall of America! Strips and we kind of failed, so we're gonna go again for it. Waiting for our photos to come out. I hear them. Yay! Ooh, 4 of them. What do you think of the photos we got?
They're so funny. This one's my favorite. Kelsey, like, you yearn for Patrick. You yearn for Patrick.
Patrick.
Oh.
Here's a close-up. We're eating a Krabby Patty. We're wanting to be with Patrick. We're very stern and having fun.
Park, park.
Gotta get some tickets. Got our tickets for some rides. SpongeBob, here we come. Mackenzie, are you gonna go?
No.
It's 11 o'clock and everything's open. So now we're gonna go on the SpongeBob ride. Let's do this.
Yes. I'm so excited. They're so excited. Hey, they're getting in. Okay. This ride, just looking at it, is making me sick. All the way up and down. Oh my gosh, they're gonna go flying up this. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh my goodness. I am gonna throw up. Oh, oh no! What did we think?
Kelsey said that I might have gotten a new hairstyle from the right.
Oh, yeah!
Wind tossed. We didn't realize you get on it and it goes straight up.
Yeah.
And then you just
You
go
think?
straight down.
Yeah.
That was awesome.
Twisties.
Oh my
Yeah.
gosh.
It was fun. It was.
It was
We
good
have
time.
one more ride ticket, so we might do it again.
So Kelsey just called me the mom, but I am, oh yes, I am a mom. And yes, I am carrying everyone's stuff so that they can go on the really scary rides that I'm gonna barf on.
Yeah. We're gonna be turtles.
They're gonna be turtles.
Do you ever get to be a turtle?
Never, and I will never know what it's like to be a turtle. So I'm going to puke if I get on that ride. What? Ninja Turtles. There they go. Convenience store in the mall. We can gas up while we're here.
Minnesota. likes this sweatshirt. Get it! Picking out a magnet. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. How to talk Minnesotian. Squishies! It's the turtles! Sushi train. This is me exciting.
A rotary sushi bar. I can't even talk.
How it works. See the dish, take it, eat it. Check out how cool this place is. This is awesome! Just picked out some sushi rolls. This is the way to do it. We're at Walmart. Amy, why don't you tell everyone about this exciting adventure?
Well, it all started when I decided to do Airbnb the first time.
And it said that we had the entire place to ourselves.
I thought I
but we
looked
don't.
at that pretty closely, and it didn't talk about
Our roommates.
no. But today I got a text that we were going to be staying with, I don't remember their names, but 2 boy names, which made me really concerned. And it turns out that when we went home, sure enough, they were in their bedroom.
So we're short a bed. So we just came to Walmart to get one.
And we're gonna let our friend sleep on it, but we're both very jealous.
I know, we're both like, I want the air
Sounds
mattress.
really good to be on the air mattress right now.
We'll give you a
That
tour.
we got from Walmart for $8. But get excited for this tour because it is pretty amazing.
Yeah. A cricket,
Hi.
a penny,
Yeah,
and a sweet setup.
Let's just say that I think we're gonna be excited to go home to our own beds.